Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And Halloween is done, which means we're on this fast sprint to Christmas. Wholesale holiday lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs. And it's not too late. If you want to get your home decorated for the holidays, or maybe you're doing this as a business, or you want to make this your business, they're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York, serving the entire New York tri-state area and beyond. And their phone number is 631-957-5106. The website, liholidaylighting.com. Omni True Value Hardware is your go-to place when it comes to rock salt this season and anything else you need to get you through the winter months. They're at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. The lowest prices around anywhere in the New York City tri-state area. 631-756-1125. The phone number and the website is omnitruevalue.com. We've got a weak cold front that's coming through this morning with a little bit of cloud cover and not much else. And behind it is chilly air. And this week is going to be a week where we're basically going to be taking stair steps down in temperatures all week long. We will be probably close to average today when all the numbers are done, and then we'll be below average for the rest of the week and into the start of next weekend. Don't see any big storms this week. We have a couple of minor issues to deal with, but overall, I think this week is just going to be dry, chilly, and autumn-like. And as you look at the satellite loop, you can see these patchy clouds coming in from the northwest. That's that very weak cold front that is moving on through. The dry, colder air is behind it. And then if you look up to the north and west across the northern Great Lakes and into southern Canada, there's actually another cold front that is setting up, and that's going to be coming through here for tomorrow. Storm off the Pacific Northwest is bringing some rain into the coast there, and we also have a little bit of patchy precipitation going on in parts of the Rockies and Plains. In the Northeast this morning, in the colder, unstable air in upstate New York, a few scattered showers, also in northern Vermont, and a couple of spots in north central PA and in western New York. But other than that, the radar is nice and dry and quiet up and down the eastern seaboard. You can see the patchy rain and even some snow in parts of Nebraska and then moving into Iowa and northern Kansas. And you've got this arm of rain coming in to the Pacific Northwest. We really don't have much going on at all. There are no watches and warnings of any kind. The major stuff, really, just a very, very snooze-like day. And WPC in their rainfall forecast this week, they're actually going for about a tenth to a quarter of an inch along the coastal plain from southern New England down into southern Pennsylvania, and a little bit more in southern New Jersey down into Virginia and North Carolina. Now, this is due to the fact that on Thursday, later Thursday into Thursday night, there's a little wave that's going to develop on Tuesday's cold front that will probably throw back some clouds, and it might even throw a little bit of rain briefly along the coast during Thursday night. That is the one issue for this week. The other one is tomorrow's cold front coming through, and there'll be some scattered showers with that, but I think the vast majority of folks will not see anything. It'll be more of a cloud issue than anything else, and you can see heavy rains coming in to the Pacific Northwest. So I want to just kind of give a look here in terms of low temperatures, because as we go through the week, we're going to see an increasing chance for frosts and freezes around here. Except for the warmer urban locations and some coastal areas, it's going to be more of an inland affair. But by morning Tuesday, after today's highs will be mostly in the 50s to around 60. So temperatures this morning are really not going to be going very far. We'll be down in the 30s and low 40s for tonight. And then on Wednesday morning, we're going to start the trip down lower. Here comes the map. It's loading now. But you're going to see temperatures that are going to be down in the close to the freezing mark, and maybe even a little bit below that in areas away from the warmer urban centers. Coastal lows will be in the upper 30s and lower 40s, but inland lows will be in the low to mid 30s. So we'll start to see our first round of scattered frosts and freezes, and we're going to take it up another notch take it down another notch, I should say, when we go into Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So just following this along, it's pretty straightforward. We'll have some sunshine today, temperatures 50s to near 60, a weak cold front, and you can see that the front is It's hard to find, actually, but it does produce a rain and even a little bit of wet snow in the mountains of West Virginia and southwestern Pennsylvania. I threw in the chance that there could be a couple of scattered showers. Probably the best chance will be in areas from New York City and Philadelphia south. That front goes offshore, starts to stall out, but high pressure and cold air build in on Wednesday. You see the stalled front is down more across the southern states for Wednesday as the cold high builds in. And then here's a wave that begins to develop on Thursday, seeing a little bit of snow there in western Virginia and southern West Virginia, rain in North Carolina, southern Virginia, in the inland areas in North Carolina. That starts to slide east-northeast, and you can see how the model clips us with a little bit of rain on Thursday. Southern Delaware, southern New Jersey, kind of touching Long Island and central New Jersey Thursday night. And then that first wave goes out, and high pressure builds back in with cold air for Friday and going into the weekend. And the way things are looking, since the second wave is going to go out to our south, the weekend is really looking fine and dandy. So weather in 5. Brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini. We're on that sprint to Christmas. Your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs in and around and beyond the New York City tri-state area. They're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. Give them a call, 631-957-5106, or you can look at their catalog from the website, which is liholidaylighting.com. Omni True Value Hardware is already thinking about winter and salt and snow melt products. Lowest prices around, also in the New York City tri-state area and beyond. 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, 631-756-1125. The website, omnitruevalue.com. Let me just go back to low temperatures for Thursday morning. And again, coast, upper 30s to near 40. But many inland areas Thursday morning in the upper 20s to around 30. So we'll start to see probably some widespread frost advisories and freeze warnings for Thursday. The frost issue will depend on how much wind there is. There might be enough of a breeze blowing that it'll probably maybe keep the frost to a minimum, at least at first. And then a day on Thursday where temperatures won't be getting much out of the upper 40s to around or just over 50 will lead to another cold night Thursday night into Friday morning with lows again around or just under freezing inland and upper 30s and low 40s along the coast. The Joe and Joe Weather Show tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time on my YouTube channel. We hope to see you there tonight. Again, 7:30 on my YouTube channel, which is Joe Cioffi. And by the way, if you're getting ready for winter, go on Google Play or on the App Store and download the Meteorologist Joe Cioffi weather app, which is free. It's got every snowfall forecast map from the National Weather Service from Maine down to Georgia and going back into western PA, eastern Ohio, and down the Appalachians. And those maps update automatically. When the Weather Service updates their map, they'll be updated right on the app. So you'll have it all in one place along with my daily outlook and much more. So give that, it's free on the on Google Play or on the App Store. Just to search for Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Have a nice day, everybody.